To remake this, I'm gonna take the other one off my channel because I realized that I shot it a little crooked. And I'm gonna go ahead and say now, if you see something in my tooth's actually cracked, so I gotta get that fixed. So don't judge me, don't have a list. I ain't been eating and being nasty, but all right. So I went ahead and showed you guys the bolts earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo this. Give me just a second, I'll flip this around. All right, so you're gonna have this one bolt hole right here. As you can see, my finger's pointing to it. It's blurry there, but you got one there. I've already dropped it down a little bit to make clearance for the oil pan. So you're going to want to pull that one. And the last step that I just realized that I had to do just to make for more clearance, to help these lines sag down enough to where I can pull the pan past them, you're going to want to pull this 110mm bolt up here, and that holds the transmission cooler lines in. And that way you get a little bit more clearance over here. You can drag all this back. Let me see if I can make this. No, that's going to zoom it in. Okay. Drag it back that way. That way you can get the clearance for all the bolts. I believe they're all 8 mils. There's quite a few of them, so I'll try to put it up there best I can. I need to use my GoPro for this. This camera, I'm sorry everybody, this camera is just not the greatest. So yeah, you're gonna do that. There's a side clip right here, right there. That one's gonna be up in the side of the pan. You just pry it out with a little pry tool. You're gonna have this upper bolt here for the differential. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I don't trip over anything. And you're also gonna have another one up here. That one. See if I can get finger. There's a bolt right there. You can see it's dropped down a little bit. That one as well. It's kind of hard to get to because you're gonna have to clear around the steering shaft, and then you're gonna. Okay, that's all 3 of the bolts. I've already covered that. Is there anything else? Most of the time, if you have the truck new and everything's there, you're gonna have some covers here, some metal covers. I've got one over here on the floor. As you can see, that one's down, and then there's like a carpeted kind of crappy cover here that usually people take down. They don't do anything. It's just basically a water shield. So you can pull all those. Like I said, pull this side bolt for the transmission cooler line. I'm going to do now. You can see this pan. I mean, it's just glistening with oil. So we're going to get that fixed. You're going to want to use your dead man to support the differential or jack if you're trying to do this on the ground. Good luck. I mean, if you got to do it, you got to do it. I'm blessed to have a shop, and this is what I do for a living. So I'm just kind of telling you guys what to do. And I believe that's it. You just pull the other bolts. The cross member I told you guys about in the other video. And that's about it. So as simple as that. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, CozyDoesIt89. And if you guys find this useful, check out another video or two I have. Definitely leave a link. If you have some channels or want some subscribers, I can try to send some people your way. And I'd love to just make more videos, let everybody see what's going on. And as always, stay motivated, make money, and keep pushing.